Morning Albert, morning track fans. Welcome to track 74. We've got the Aaron Smith BTCC on the track. He's under the cantilever. He's ready to go. Let's drive into the R2. Up to the first of the two drift corners there. Power's under the track. Gets a bit of drift on the U-turn kick out. Round up and under and under and under and over. I don't know what I'm doing on this triple layer level track. This is amazing. Let's drive round there, round the R-turn, and powers through Bacharach on the far side of the track. Under, up, under, and over into the long stretch there. Great track this one, Albert. What do you think, mate? Through Bacharach, through, under. A long straight under, round, hooks it over the top of the third layer. Lovely through pole there, and up into Chicago into Hammerhead. Round, kicks it out. We're going to get a bit of kick out, a bit of drift on the next time we get down to the U-turn over there. It's going to be quite special. We've been having a few practice laps on this. Here we go. Whoa, he derails it. Too much power trying to get the drift. But you know, that's track action. We all do it. We all have fun on the track. It's what it's about. Learning where the limitations are so we don't spin out when we're actually racing for real. So then, Albert, have you been playing your dad on the track fan action? Oh, got a bit of a sticky stop here. Hang on, sorry, you can see that. Just getting a bit of a failure there. I might have to go and dust out that piece of track. So, let's make this one on the next track, our last lap. I haven't got a digital chip in this car yet, so we're having to make do with just one lane. But it seems working, it seems fine. I'm going to do a bit of track maintenance there. Right, into pole. There you go, Albert. Well done, mate. Have a good day. See you later, track fans.